Our next topic is energy stored in the capacitor. We already know that capacitor is a device which is used to store charges, right? Now, it is not only used to store charges, but it also stores energy. When the battery is connected to the capacitor, the electrons of total charge minus Q are transferred from one plate to the other plate. Right? The transfer of charges needs some work done, right? Because we are moving the charges from one plate to another plate, right? So the work done is stored as a potential energy. We already know that the work done is always stored as a potential energy. So we are going to transfer, consider this as two parallel plates. Here it is minus Q and this consists of plus Q. So here we are going to transfer some amount of energy charges, that is minus Q to plus Q. So in order to transfer the charges from this to this, consider the small amount of charge dq is used to be get transferred from the first plate to the other plate. So the work done, small work done dW is going to be done. So work done dW is equal to V into dQ, right? Where V is equal to Q by C. Substitute in here, W is equal to limit, because this plate contains no charge now. Now only the charge is going to transfer from here to here. So the charge from no, that is 0, to it is going to raise for the amount of charge Q. So the limit will be 0 to Q by C, and the dq here, put dq here, right? See, 1 by C, C is a constant, take it out. So inside the integral, we can put it as 1 by C here, integral 0 to Q, here Q into dQ, right? Integrating Q into dQ, we get, that is x power by n plus 1, right? So which is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is equal to x square by 2. Here in order instead of x we are going to use q, right? Then we get for q dq, we get q square by 2c, because substituting upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit is q square by 2 minus lower limit, it will be 0. So q square by 2c, which is the potential energy UE, right? And since q is equal to CV, we can find it out. Substituting here, epsilon E is equal to q. In order, instead of q square, we can put it as c square v square. So c square get cancelled, and the potential energy is given as half CV square. This is the energy stored in the capacitor, and the energy stored is directly proportional to the capacitance of the capacitor and also the square of the potential difference, right? This is the energy stored in the capacitor. Fine. From this equation we already find out the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, and the potential V is equal to E into D, right? Substitute all this in this equation, so that we get epsilon E is equal to half into C value epsilon naught A by D, and V value, which is C square D square. D square D get cancelled, and epsilon E is equal to half into epsilon naught AD into E square. So this is the potential energy stored in the capacitor. Fine. So instead of the energy, we are going to calculate the density now. Energy density. What is energy density? The energy stored per unit volume of the space. That is called as energy density. Energy density is represented by small ue. Energy density is equal to potential energy stored per unit volume. It is called as energy density, that is potential energy density. So energy stored we already calculated, substitute in here by the unit volume. What is volume? Volume is the area into the length or distance separation. So A into D, AD get cancelled. So energy density small ue is equal to half epsilon naught E square. From this, the energy depends only on the electric field, we can conclude. Right? Electric field produced in the capacitor. The energy density is directly proportional to the electric field in produced in the capacitor. And the capacitors has many application in real life, which are given in your book. So we can use, for example, we can say that the capacitors are used in camera, in flashlights, and the capacitors are used in ignition system of automobile engines, like that. So many applications in real life. You have to study more in the next sessions.